While developing this movie, I have assumed that the user has basic knowledge of C language. If you don't have, then you can refer the books on C language, or you can watch the hottest C movie on the earth for learning C language. Now you observe very carefully. This is entire big circle is your C++ language. It has three parts. The basic part is C language. Then second part is features which are not available in C language. And the third part is classes, objects and object-oriented programming features. In chapter 1, namely extensions to C, covers all the features which are not part of the C language and not related to object classes or OOPs. Is it clear? So those features are new way of variable declarations, new style of a comment, new reserve words like new, delete, catch, etc., new operators in C++ language, inline functions, default arguments of the function, reference variables. After that, from chapter number 2 to the end of this movie, we will discuss classes, objects and object-oriented programming. That is, we will discuss classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, data hiding, operator overloading, function overloading, constructors, destructors, virtual functions, etc. Is it clear to you? So I will revise everything again. In this tutor, I will not discuss the common features of C and C++ language that already I have covered in the hottest C movies on the earth. Okay. In chapter number 1, we'll discuss features which are not available in C language. And from chapter number 2 to the rest of the tutor, I'll discuss all issues related with object-oriented programming. Is it clear to you?